Hello everybody, today we're making General Tso's chicken. I hope I'm saying it right. We're gonna make it in the oven. I know I'm gonna love it, you're gonna love it. Let's go do this. Okay, let's start off with the rub. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add all the spices in right now. First, we're gonna start off with the ginger. And then we'll add all the dry ingredients. Give it a little mix around. Let that marinate for about a half hour or so, maybe even an hour. Alright, so now that the seasoning is done marinating, we took it out of the fridge, we let it sit on the counter for about a half hour. Now we're going to basically put it in the oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to take about a third cup of flour, sprinkle it around, and we're going to take a third cup of cornstarch, sprinkle it around. We're going to massage it inside the chicken, and then from there we're going to put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven at 400 degrees. Let's put this on the cookie sheet right now, and we'll get it in the oven. We're going to bake it for about a half hour or so it's nice and crispy. This smells amazing, by the way. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to grab 2 tablespoons of the mixture and put it in a separate pot. And then from there we're going to add the half a cup of sugar. Now it's very important that we don't start burning this up and boiling it, or it's going to go rock hard.